Hello guys, how to fix fastfat.sys blue screen error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of blue screen of death BSOD error, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key in your system. Here from the left side, click on Windows Update and click on Check for updates. If any updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter, scroll down and go to Advanced Options. Click on it. Here, scroll down and choose Optional Updates. Click on it. And if any optional driver updates available, download and install it in your system. This is the first and initial workaround. Basically, this is a driver related issues. And the second workaround is go to Device Manager, right click on a Start button and choose Device Manager. And make sure that no any faulty device driver available in your system. If any driver having yellow color exclamation mark, then this is any problem and issues of this driver. So simply right click on it and choose Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. How do you want to search for drivers? Click on it and Windows will install updates for that particular, and check whether your BSOD blue screen error is. Next fixes, go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute the command execute the command verify. This command will verify your hard drive. A new window will open. Drive verifier manager, choose create a standard settings and click on next. Here click on automatically all drivers installed on this computer and again choose finish. Restart this computer for the changes to that effect. Click on OK. You don't forget to restart your system. So driver verifier manager requires a restart of your system. And check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows settings, right click on Start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and choose Windows security. Here click on virus and threat protection. Click on it. A new Windows security page will open. Here scroll down and click on scan options. Scan your system. Sometimes any malware or virus may be a cause of such type of BSOD error, and here choose Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan and click on scan now. The system will be scanned and if any problem related issue, it will visible here. And check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a Start button and choose run command. Run dialog box will open. In run dialog box, type msconfig. It will open system configuration windows. Now we will clean boot your system. In system configuration window, from the top, go to boot and click on safe boot. Thereafter go to services and make the checkbox against option hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager and find out all the enabled startup apps in your system. Find out and simply right click on it. If any found enabled startup apps, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this procedure for all the enabled startup apps. Finally, close the Task Manager window and also click on Apply and OK to save the changes and close the system configuration windows. A restart, you may need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Before restarting, save any open files and close all programs. Choose Restart. You must restart your system and accordingly your issues resolved. That's all.